We harvested our sweet potatoes, and oh my goodness, there were so many and they were very large. If you go back a few months, you can see a video that I made where I planted our sweet potato slips. These slips were grown from our previous sweet potatoes. Once they were planted, they just took off. After our first frost, we dug up the vines and gave the vines to our goats. The goats love the fresh and the wilted vines. Sweet potato vines are edible for animals and humans, but just a quick note, regular potato vines can be toxic. Last year we planted our sweet potatoes in the ground. They were good, but only average size. This year we put the sweet potatoes in a raised bed and covered around the slips with mushroom compost. The raised beds and compost made such a huge difference. Can you believe we had several sweet potatoes that look like this? This one here is 6.5 pounds. Having the knowledge to take a sweet potato, plant it, take those slips, and replant is something every person needs to know. Even if you don't like to eat sweet potatoes, it is a high carbohydrate meal that can sustain you. Or, in a survival situation, you can trade or barter with it. Remember, it's not about if, it's about when. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.